Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a sparkle pendant. A pendant is anything that you have suspended from a necklace and can be any kind of thing. It can be a gem, it can be a stone, but if you want to make something sparkly and perhaps use something you have around the house that's not already a gem or something sparkly by definition, you can make it sparkly by applying some glitter nail polish, which is a wonderful craft item. And I took a small domino, I drilled a hole through the top and put a jump ring to make it into a pendant. Now I'm going to take this glitter nail polish and I'm just going to apply a thin coat to the top to give it that little bit of sparkle, because I really like it when things are sparkly and shiny, and it just gives it a different dimension. So you just go ahead and do that, and this particular one just gives like a little opalescent kind of sparkle, but you can still see the design of the domino underneath. And that is a quick way to make a sparkle pendant. My name is Linda Hutchinson, and thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.